Welcome! Today we're making easy and delicious tuna fish cakes. Here's what you'll need: canned tuna, boiled potatoes, an egg, spring onions, fresh herbs, spices, breadcrumbs, flour, and oil. Take a look at these golden, crispy tuna fish cakes, perfect for any meal. Let's get started. Start by boiling potatoes until soft, then mash them well for your fish cakes. Add drained tuna to the mashed potatoes and mix until combined. This is the base for your fish cakes. Stir in chopped herbs, spring onions, and a beaten egg to help the fish cake mixture hold together. Shape the mixture into small fish cakes with your hands. Make them as thick or thin as you like. Coat each fish cake in flour, dip in beaten egg, then cover with breadcrumbs for a crispy finish. Your fish cakes are ready to cook. Fry or bake them until golden and crispy. Enjoy making your homemade tuna fish cakes. Let's cook the fish cakes. For frying, heat a little oil in a pan over medium heat. Gently add the cakes and cook for 3 to 4 minutes per side until they're golden brown and crispy. Listen for that satisfying sizzle. Prefer to bake? Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the cakes on a lined baking tray, lightly spray with oil, and bake for 15 to 20 minutes, flipping halfway through until they're crisp and golden. However you cook them, the result should be beautifully golden, crisp on the outside and tender inside. Arrange the hot fish cakes on a plate and get ready to enjoy. To make this meal complete, let's prepare a vibrant Mediterranean salad as the perfect side. But remember, the star of the show is still those delicious tuna fish cakes. Show your ingredients, lay out all the fresh vegetables and other components. Cucumber, tomatoes, cherry tomatoes are great for color, red onion, thinly sliced, Kalamata olives, pitted, feta cheese, crumbled or in blocks, fresh parsley and or mint chopped. For the dressing, extra virgin olive oil, fresh lemon juice or red wine vinegar, dried oregano, salt and pepper. Chop the cucumber, tomatoes, and red onion. Toss them with olives, feta, and fresh herbs in a large bowl. The salad is ready in minutes. Now let's plate up. Arrange the golden tuna fish cakes front and center with a generous helping of salad on the side. Garnish with lemon and parsley for a fresh finish. For the perfect finish, show off your best fish cake with a close-up. Doesn't it look delicious? Enjoy your meal. For the full recipe, check the description. Like and subscribe for more tasty ideas.